Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add Dribbble to your Mac dock so you can launch it like a real app, perfect for quick access to design inspiration. Let's jump right in. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, go to dribbble.com and sign into your account if needed. Next, look at the top of your screen, click File in the menu bar, then select Add to Dock. You'll see a small pop-up window. You can rename the shortcut if you want. I'll keep it as Dribbble, then go ahead and click Add. And just like that, the Dribbble icon appears in your dock, right alongside your other apps. Here's what's great. When you click it, Dribbble opens in its own standalone app-like window, completely separate from Safari. You can even close Safari, and Dribbble will keep running like a real desktop app. And that's it. You've just added Dribbble to your Mac dock in under a minute. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if there's another site you'd like to pin to your dock. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.